Hi, welcome to Anne's Digital Kitchen. I'm Anne Ogden-Gaffney and I'm here to talk to you about summer drinks. Now, everybody loves sodas in the summer, the sort of sparkly tickliness of the fizz. But soda's not so good for you. So what we're going to do today, I'm going to give you some ideas to make some really fabulous drinks, which you can add maybe seltzer or club soda to give them that little oomph. And they're so simple and so delicious. They also have that kind of hint of a flavor that's so popular right now. So we're going to be making some mint and cucumber water, which is so delicious and so refreshing in the summer. We're going to be making some raspberry mint water too, which is totally delicious and just uses frozen raspberries in a way you wouldn't really think about. We're going to be making a mango lemonade, and we're going to be making horchata, that delicious Mexican drink. So look and learn.